Hi children, I welcome you for the Soci class. In last class we discussed about the lesson from trade to territory. The topic is Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, Blackwall Tragedy. So after the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the British became a more political power in India. In today's class we are going to learn about Carnatic Wars. First Carnatic War, Second Carnatic War and Third Carnatic War. Carnatic Wars. In the 18th century, three Carnatic Wars were fought between various Indian rulers, British and French East India Company on either side. So during the 18th century, so in the last class we discussed about which period is called 18th century. From 1701 to 1800 is 18th century. So during the 18th century, three Carnatic Wars fought between various Indian rulers. So Indian rulers, different Indian rulers, then French East India Company, British East India Company. So this all fought between during the 18th century. So traditionally Britain and France was rival countries in Europe. So already Britain and France. So both also one of the rival country in Europe. So already more competition in Europe. Okay, same problem they are started in India. So their rivalry continued in India over trade and territories. So already both British and France, both also one of the rival country in Europe. Same rivalry is continued in India. So it resulted in a series of military conflict in the south known as the Carnatic Wars. So this problem was held in India. So this war is called as Carnatic Wars. So which period to which period? 1746 to 1763. So held between Indian rulers, French East India Company and British East India Company during 18th century, that means 1746 to 1763. So this was resulted in establishment of political supremacy of British East India Company. So after this end of the Carnatic War, British became a more political power in India. So see the flow chart. Carnatic Wars. First Carnatic War 1746 to 1748. Second Carnatic War 1749 to 1754. Third Carnatic War 1756 to 1763. So next we are going to see about First Carnatic War. On the outbreak of the Austrian War of the Succession in Europe in English and the French were in opposite camps, increased the hostility between these two forces. So already the outbreak of the Austrian War. So Austrian means it is one of the war. It is held in Europe. It is held in Europe. So the English and the French, which are the team against means English and French, so that this war ecosystem was started in India. So already Europe and French was rivalry between in Europe, so that this war held in India. So that the war was started in India. So first Carnatic War, it was started in Battle of Adayar. First Carnatic War started in Battle of Adayar. So what is meaning of battle? Battle means fight and Adayar means which place the war was held. So Adayar. So Battle of Adayar 1746. The first Carnatic War started in 1746, Battle of Adayar. So the first Carnatic War is remembered for the Battle of Santhome. So Santhome is one of the place in Madras. So this was started in Santhome. It is one of the places in Madras. So which was fought between the French forces and forces of Anwaruddin, the Nawab of Carnatic. So appealed the British for help. So this was started for whom means French East India Company and Nawab of Anwaruddin. Nawab of Anwaruddin, but Anwaruddin asked the help to British. Anwaruddin asked to help to British. So a small French army under Captain Paradis. So who is the head of the French army means Paradis. Captain Paradis defeated the strong Indian army under Mahfuz Khan. Defeated the Indian army under Mahfuz Khan at Santhome. So Santhome means it is one of the place. It is located banks of the river Adayar. Bank of the river means riverside. Okay, Santhome is located in bank of the river Adayar. Okay. Then this was the first occasion when the superiority of the world train and well-equipped European army over the Indian army was proved beyond doubt. So during the war, who won the battle means French East India Company won the battle. In which place? Santom. It is where it is held on the battle means Santom. So in the Santom, French East India Company defeated our Indian army. Next we are going to see about Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. So the war was ended by the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, which brought the Austrian War of Succession to an end. So before we discussed what is Austrian War, this war before the First Carnatic War held on European countries between British and French. So that war is called as Austrian War. So the European countries became end of the Austrian War, so that in India also they stopped the war, First Carnatic War. So the war was ended by the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, which brought the Austrian War of Succession to an end. So under the term of this treaty, Madras was returned back to the English. And who got the Madras? End of this war, Madras was returned back to the English, and French in turn got their territories in North America. So what is treaty? Treaty means mutual understanding between both parties. Okay, so both team became a mutual understanding is called as treaty. So end of this First Carnatic War, Madras was returned to the English. So again, who got the Madras means English. At same time in North America, French they got some territories. In North America, French they got some territories. It is the end of the First Carnatic War. Okay. Next one we are going to see about Second Carnatic War. The main cause of this war was the issue of succession in Carnatic and Hyderabad. So what is the main cause of this war means to become the ruler of Carnatic and Hyderabad. So this was started among our Indian ruler, but French supported one team and British supported to another team. Okay, so main causes for the Second Carnatic War means who can become the ruler of Carnatic and Hyderabad. So this is way for the Second Carnatic War. So Anwardi Khan and Chanda Sahib. So listen careful. Anwardi Khan and Chanda Sahib were the two claimants to the throne of Carnatic, whereas Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung were claimants throne of Hyderabad. So who has the competition between Carnatic and Hyderabad means Carnatic, Anwardi Khan and Chanda Sahib want to become a ruler of Carnatic. But how many person can become the ruler of Carnatic? Any one. So chief minister may any one chief minister. So king also can come any one king. But here both Anwardi Khan and Chanda Sahib both also have the competition to become the ruler of Carnatic. And another one, Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung both also have the competition to become the ruler of Hyderabad. Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung both also have the competition to become the ruler of Hyderabad. Okay, so the French supported Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. So Chanda Sahib to become the ruler of Carnatic and Muzaffar Jung to become the ruler of Hyderabad. So each places one person is supported by British and another one person is supported by French. Okay, so the French supported Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, and the British supported claimants the objective of keeping their interest. So the French supported Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung, and the British supported Anwardi Khan and Nasir Jung. You understand? So So next we are going to see about Battle of Ambur in 1749. So the route of the Second Carnatic War, they started the battle in Ambur. So finally Dupleix, Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung formed the Grand Alliance and defeated and killed Anwardi Khan, the Nawab of Carnatic, on 3 August 1749 in the Battle of Ambur. So Dupleix, who is the Dupleix? He is the governor of French East India Company. So finally Dupleix, Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung. Okay, so French already supported Chanda Sahib to become the ruler of Carnatic. Okay, so Chanda Sahib to become the ruler of Carnatic and Muzaffar Jung to become the ruler of Hyderabad, both also supported by Dupleix. So Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung formed the Great Alliance, from whom French East India Company. So both also made a grand alliance to French East India Company, and they defeated and killed Anwardi Khan, a Nawab of Carnatic. They killed Anwardi Khan, a Nawab of Carnatic, on 3rd August 1749 in the Battle of Ambur. Okay, so we discussed in the last slide. Anwardi Khan and Chanda Sahib both also want to become the ruler of Carnatic. So that Chanda Sahib and French East India Company killed Anwardi Khan. The Battle of Ambur, 3 August 1749 in the Battle of Ambur. So Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwardi Khan. Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwardi Khan, fled to Tiruchinappalli. So what is called Tiruchinappalli? So Tiruchinappalli only in that period is called as Tiruchinappalli. Okay. So after killed Anwardi Khan, Muhammad Ali, Anwardi Khan's son, Muhammad Ali escaped to Tiruchinappalli. So Tiruchinappalli means Tiruchirappalli. So Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic. Nawab means king. They call us Nawab. The Karnataka, the king called us Nawab. Okay. So Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Karnataka, because who is the competition of Chanda Sahib? Anwardi Khan. So they killed Anwardi Khan. So Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Carnatic. So that Chanda Sahib gave French 80 villages around Pondicherry. Okay. So Carnatic. So Chanda Sahib won the battle. So instead of Chanda Sahib gave the 80 villages to French East India Company. Okay. He gave the 80 villages to French East India Company. Okay. Okay, so one side problem is over. So Carnatic, who became the ruler? Chanda Sahib. Next we are going to see about Hyderabad. What happened? Hyderabad. And Hyderabad, who want to become the ruler? Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. Okay, we will see. So in the Deccan means Hyderabad only is called as Deccan. So in the Deccan, the French defeated and killed Nasir Jung. The French defeated and killed Nasir Jung and made Muzaffar Jung as the Nizam. The Deccan they called as Nizam, and the Carnatic they called as Nawab. The Carnatic the king called as Nawab, and the Hyderabad the king called as Nizam. So new Nizam gave ample rewards to the French. So who won the battle? Muzaffar Jung. So Muzaffar Jung gave some territories to the French. So he appointed Dupleix as the governor of all the territories. So he appointed French East India Company governor Dupleix as the governor of all the territories in south of the river Krishna. So Muzaffar Jung was by his own people in 1751. So Muzaffar Jung was killed by own people in 1751. So Salabat Jung is the brother of Nasir Jung, was raised to the throne by Bussy. Who is the Bussy? He is the commander of French army. So Salabat Jung, the brother of Nasir Jung, was raised to the throne by Bussy. So Salabat Jung granted the northern circus. So he gave the northern circus excluding the Gundur. So except Gundur, he gave the northern circus. Northern circus means the place. So district to the French. So Dupleix power was zenith. Zenith means it is one of the highest peak during in that time. Okay. So next we are going to see the Battle of Arcot in 1751. The meantime, so second Carnatic War is not end. Okay. So in the time, Dupleix sent forces to fort of Trichy, where Muhammad Ali has taken shelter. So what happened? So Anwardi Khan's son only is Muhammad Ali. After killed Anwardi Khan, Muhammad Ali escaped to Tiruchinappalli. Tiruchinappalli means Trichy. So that Dupleix sent the forces to Trichy to arrest the Muhammad Ali. Okay. So Chanda Sahib also joined with the French in their effort to besiege Trichy. So Chanda Sahib is the ruler of which place? Carnatic. So Chanda Sahib also made the alliance French East India Company. They also went to Trichy to capture the Muhammad Ali. Who is the Muhammad Ali? Anwardi Khan's son Muhammad Ali. So Robert Clive proposal was accepted by the British governor. So what happened? From Carnatic, French East India Company and Chanda Sahib both also they moved to the Tiruchi. So in that time the British East India Company, Robert Clive with their army forces in 200 English and 300 Indian soldiers, Robert Clive was entrusted the task of capturing Arcot. So during that time, Robert Clive, the British East India Company, Robert Clive captured the Carnatic. So his attack proved successful. Okay, which place? Battle of Arcot, because they all went to the Tiruchi to capture Muhammad Ali. So in that time, British East India Company captured the Carnatic. So Robert Clive defeated the French at Arni and Kaveri Park. So Robert Clive defeated the French at Arni and Kaveri Park. So with the assistance of Lawrence, Chanda Sahib was killed in Tiruchi. So Chanda Sahib went to the Tiruchi to capture the Muhammad Ali. So in that place, British East India Company killed the Chanda Sahib in Tiruchi. And Muhammad Ali was made the Nawab of Arcot under British protection. So who is the Muhammad Ali? He is the son of Anwardi Khan. So Muhammad Ali was made the Nawab of Arcot under British protection. The French government again recalled Dupleix to Paris. Okay, the French East India Company, where they are coming from? Paris. So that the French government recalled Dupleix to Paris. So this war ended with Treaty of Pondicherry. So discussed already what is called treaty. Treaty means mutual understanding. So what happened? The end of the war, the French government recalled Dupleix. Instead of Dupleix, the French East government, they appointed the Gautier is the governor of French East India Company. So Gautier made the Treaty of Pondicherry along with British East India Company. So according to the Treaty of Pondicherry, both the power means French and English. So both the power agreed not to interfere in the internal affairs of the native state. So which is native state? So both English and French, both also which is the native state, European countries. So what is the Treaty of Pondicherry means? Both English and French should not interfere in the native place. So native place means in European countries should not interfere their internal affairs. So new forts should not be built by either power. So both also should not build any fort. Okay. So the treaty made the British stronger. So this Treaty of Pondicherry, who became the more powerful means British East India Company became the more powerful. So the Second Carnatic War also proved without end. So the English proved their superiority on land by appointing Muhammad Ali as the Nawab of Carnatic. So before who appointed the Nawab of Carnatic? French appointed the Nawab of Carnatic, Chanda Sahib, but British East India Company killed Chanda Sahib. They appointed Muhammad. So next we are going to see about Third Carnatic War. So the outbreak of the 7 Years' War in Europe led to the Third Carnatic War in India. So how it was started, the Carnatic War? The European countries, French and British held the war as Austrian War. So only a Carnatic War also started in India. So by this time Robert Clive established the British power in Bengal by the Battle of Plassey. So Battle of Plassey in 1757. After only the British became a more political power in India. So after the Battle of Plassey, the Robert Clive helped to the British East India Company for finance. So County Lally was deputed from France to conduct the war from the French side. So French side, they appointed the French government County Lally. Okay, French side, they appointed County Lally to conduct the war between English East India Company. So easily captured Fort St. David. So County Lally captured Fort St. David. So he ordered Bussy to come down to the Carnatic War with his army to make a united effort to push the British out of the Carnatic. So County Lally ordered to the Bussy to united effort to push the British out of the Carnatic. They thought County Lally and Bussy both joined together. They tried to attack the British East India Company. So taking advantages of Bussy departure, Robert Clive sent Colonel Ford from Bengal to occupy the northern circus. So what happened? County Lally called Bussy. So in that time, so Bussy also is one of the military commander. So County Lally is the governor. Okay, so County Lally called Bussy. So in that time, British East India Company defeated Northern Circus. Northern Circus means which place means Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Okay, so Battle of Vandivas. So where they defeated means Vandivas. So battle means fight and Vandivas means which period. So Battle of Vandivas 1760. Okay, next we are going to see about Battle of Vandivas 1760. So this decisive battle of the Third Carnatic War fought on January 22, 1760. The Third Carnatic War held on January 22, 1760. The English army under General Eyrecourt, who is the commander of English army, means General Eyrecourt. So the English army under General Eyrecourt totally routed the French army under Lally. So English East India Company completely defeated French East India Company in the Battle of Vandivas. So within a year, the French had lost all their possessions in India. So what is called possessions? Possession means settlement. Okay. So after end of the Third Carnatic War, French East India Company completely lost all their possessions in India. So County Lally returned to the France. So called by French government. So County Lally returned to the France where he was imprisoned and executed. After the French government recalled County Lally and arrested, and later they put executed. Executed means killed. Okay, because of County Lally only they lost their possessions, they lost their territories. So that French government killed County Lally. Okay. So next we are going to see about Treaty of Paris. So how this Third Carnatic War end means with Treaty of Paris. So treaty means mutual understanding in Paris. Paris means French. Okay, in French. So 7 years war was concluded by the Treaty of Paris. So 7 years war end with Treaty of Paris because the Austrian War. Austrian War means who can become the ruler in European country. So only they started the Austrian War. That Austrian War was end with the Treaty of Paris. So French settlement including Pondicherry were given back to the French. Okay, this Treaty of Paris, the French settlement give back to the French, but they were forbidden from fortifying those places. They gave the territories to the French East India Company, but French East India Company should not fortify any fort. So they were not allowed to gather armies. So they should not conduct any armies. So the French dominance in India practically came to an end. So end of this Third Carnatic War, French was completely defeated. So this French dominance came to end. Okay. I hope you understand this Carnatic War. Recap. So first Carnatic War started 1746 to 1748. So Battle of Adayar. So this battle was started in Battle of Adayar. So Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. How first Carnatic War end means Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Next Second Carnatic War 1749 to 1754. So this Second Carnatic War Battle of Ambur started in Battle of Ambur. It was end with Treaty of Pondicherry. Okay, this Second Carnatic War started Battle of Ambur in 1749, Battle of Arcot in 1751. So how end with the Second Carnatic War means Treaty of Pondicherry 1755. Then Third Carnatic War 1756 to 1763. 1756 to 1763. So this war started in Battle of Vandivas 1760 and end with Treaty of Paris 1763. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. So, discuss the first Carnatic War. Discuss the first Carnatic War. So, write in detail about second Carnatic War. Second one, write in detail about second Carnatic War. A third one, explain about the third Carnatic War. Explain about the third Carnatic War. So next we are going to see about current affairs. So who is the Ministry of External Affairs? Mr. S. Jaishankar. So who is the Ministry of External Affairs? Mr. S. Jaishankar. So he is the responsibility for our Indian border. Okay. So he is the responsibility for our Indian border. So only he is the External Affairs. Okay. So he is the Ministry of External Affairs. Mr. S. Jaishankar. I hope you understood this session very well. So this lesson will be continued in the next video. Thank you, children.